Okay, here we go. Garage door down, motor engaged. Press button. Garage door open. Press button. Garage door closes. When closed by motor, does not actually engage the locks, but it is locked. You can't open it because of the motor, because of the motor here. If you release it, like this, and it's not locked in, opens easily. Okay? Open. Okay. Then if we close it, close it hard, and if you heard it clicked, it is now locked in here. If you try to do it by the motor right now, it'll bend and everything else because that cable there is broken. But if you just come here and open that, relock, the motor, come back over here. Sorry about the thing. We press it once, it should close because it's off. Okay, and it's all completely closed again. And it opens. So the trick is the outside handle doesn't do anything, and if you close it by hand and slam it, the lock will lock on the inside, and that'll keep it from opening. It'll be locked and nobody can open it when the motor is disengaged. When the motor closes it, the motor is engaged, so you can't open it anyway. So it's locked either way and can be released. So it'll open manually, and it will open with the garage door opener and through the wall. Thank you.